Hello, my crafty friends. It's Jelly Bean, and I know I haven't been around, but trying to get everything going back to normal has been a little tough for me, but we're doing it. Anyway, I come today to show y'all some incoming Happy Mail that I've received. And first of all, I want to show you, hold on to that for a minute, a couple really pretty cards that I received. Dina, this Mama Loves Disney, sent me this pretty card. And Susan Tootsie Tucker made a card that she sent. Get it out of the envelope. Isn't that pretty, y'all? And y'all know I love purple. So, thank y'all for these cards. They were very cheery when I needed it. So, thank you so much. This is gorgeous, by the way. And you know I love purple. Beautiful. Anyway, I got those. And then I've been trickling in some dies that Elisha told me were coming. And I just wanted to share those with y'all. I got this really pretty clock. Check this out. And I'm gonna try this out really soon because this is gorgeous. Can y'all see that? How pretty that is? And then I got a couple little flower dies. Y'all know how I love to make my flowers, so I got those. And then the bow dies that she ordered forever ago finally came in. I know she's been telling me they're coming, so they finally arrived, Elisha. Thank you so much. They come in different envelopes, so I'm kind of putting them together. This one is the regular bow die. Now, I haven't opened the actual packages yet. I peeked in to see what it was, but this just looks like two different sizes of bows, or three. It might be three. Yep, it is. There's one, two, and three. Three different sizes. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Thank you so much. There we go. Can y'all see? Yep. So my stash of dies is building thanks to Elisha. Thank you, lady. And let's see, she also sent the one that has the bat wings on it, which is really cool because not only can you make it a bat, I can alter that a little bit and make it angel wings. I think that would be cool too. So it's versatile, you can use it either way. So it's the double bow with the wings on the back. And then this really pretty butterfly die, it's like a edge border die came in. Y'all know how I like butterflies too. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. And then there's these little Christmas dies. I love the little snowman and gingerbread man. Let me take it out of the pack so the glare won't be on there. And there we go. See, I like the way they all come together. That's really cool. But see the little gingerbread man and the snowman, the Christmas tree. It's got two different ornaments and a candle and a candy cane and a bell. Adorable. And then this bow die come in, and I'm gonna have to cut this out to see exactly. It's got a flower with it, and I guess the flower goes in the center. This one's, I haven't seen a bow die like this, but look, it's the big long bow part. I guess you cut it out and then fold it into the center. And then it's got three different levels, well, four if you count the little center flower pieces. So I guess you fold it over and put the flower in the center. That's super cool. But anyway, these are the dies that Elisha sent me. Thank you, lady. I wish you'd hurry up and get home. We miss seeing you every morning. I know I do. Normally every morning I wake up and the first thing I do is go watch Elisha's daily video. But she hasn't been on doing a daily video, so I know I miss her. I've been watching all y'all's videos too, but I've been trying to figure out exactly what I want to do, and I had a shabby pumpkin last year that I was going to pull out and make one with y'all after I showed you, and I can't find it either. I just, for some reason, can't find anything here lately. But anyway, that's my incoming happy mail. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a crafty day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.